Welcome to my lecture, and today we are going to discuss about the counting prime numbers. So first we'll understand what are the prime numbers. A natural number except 1 is known as prime number if it has only two factors, 1 and number itself. So in previous lecture we saw the factors of 50 natural numbers and we found many numbers which have a factor 1 and number itself. So those are prime numbers. So let's count it now, prime numbers between 1 and 10. So to have a complete picture, so we will discuss the factors as well as identify the prime numbers between 1 and 10. So let's the factors 1, 2 is 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 3, 4, 1 to 4, 5, 1 to 5, 6, 1 to 3, 6, 7, 1, 7, 8, 1 to 4, 8, 9, 1, 3, 9, and 10, 1 to 5, 10. So among these, you see that these two have a factor 1 and itself, same way 3, 5, and 7. So there are 4 prime number between 1 and 10. Next we continue with prime numbers between 11 and 20. So we take all the factors and then we see which factors have only the two factors. So 11, 13, 17 and 19. So again between 11 and 20 we have 4 prime numbers. Let's continue the process and we want now from 21 to 30. So we have all the factors of the numbers and then we see that which can be prime numbers. So we found that 23 and 29. So between 21 and 30 we have 2 prime numbers. Then between 31 and 40 we continue the factors and to identify that we found it 31 is prime and 37 is prime. So we have 2 prime numbers between 31 and 40. So then 41 to 50 and we continue with our factorized factors, finding the factors, and we found again 41 and 43 and then 47. So these are prime numbers. So here we have 3 prime numbers. Then between 51 and 60 we have this factorization and after that we noted down the prime number. So we have 53 is the prime number and 59 is the prime number. So here we have 2 prime numbers. We continue up to 100. So we have 61 to 70. We listed all the factors of numbers and then we highlighted that 61 is a prime and 67 is prime. So we have 2 prime number between 61 and 70. Then 71 to 80, we have 71, 73, and then we listed all the integers factors and then we note that 71 is prime, 73 is prime, and 79 is prime. Here I want to recall that, or I want to note that the even numbers cannot be prime number because it has a divisor 2 always. Now from 81 to 90, again we will do all the factors. We listed all the factors and then from there we found out 83 and 89, these 2 are prime numbers. So we have 2 prime number and the last set we have between 91 and 100. So again we listed all the factors and we have only one factor which is prime is 97. So this we listed by the factor. So you have to memorize it the number of the prime numbers. And what are the prime numbers? It is up to 100. So here is a summary for that. So 4 prime numbers between 1 and 10, 4 prime numbers between 11 and 20, 2 prime numbers between 21 and 30, 2 is between 31 to 40, 3 between 41 to 50, 2 in between 51 to 60, 2 from 61 to 70, and 3 from 71 to 80, 2 from 81 to 90, and 1 between 91 and 100. So these are total prime numbers between 1 to 100. So it may be combinedly asked, let maybe ask between 11 to 30. So you have to that time say 4 plus 2, 6. So it may be from any number to any number. For example, it may be asked 61 to 100. So if 61 to 100, then you will have to add 2, 3 plus 2, so 7 and 1, 8. So 61 to 100, you have these prime numbers. That is total 8 prime numbers, you will get it. Now, sometimes question may be asked, what are those prime numbers? So we also make a summary here. It is helpful for you to memorize it. So prime numbers between 1 and 10 are 2, 3, 5, and 7. Prime numbers between 11 and 20 are 11, 13, 17, 19. Prime numbers between 21 and 30 are 23, 29. And then the prime number between 31 and 40 are 31 and 37. Prime number between 41 and 50 are 41 and 43 and 47. Between 51 and 60, we have two numbers, 53 and 59. Between 61 and 70, we have 61, 67. And then 71 to 80, we have 71 and 73. 81 to 90, we have 83, 89. And 91 to 100, we have 97. Okay, 71 to 80, we have 71, 73, and 79. So other important topics is factorizations of numbers, and we will continue in the next lecture. This two topic will continue in the next lecture.